Your basic table setting would normally have fork, knife, spoon. There will be a bread plate. There will be a salt and pepper kept over here. How do you hold your cutlery? The fork comes in non-dominant hand and the knife comes in dominant hand. For me, it is my right hand. The handle should be inside the palm for both and it should not be visible. The ends should not be visible. The index will come at the neck of the fork, the same for the knife as well. You pierce the food with the fork and cut it gently with the knife. 1 strike, 2 stroke, 3 stroke or as many as that you need. Then take it and put it in your mouth. Whenever you're holding a glass with a stem, always hold it by its stem. Wherever you want to hold it, here, here or here, it's absolutely okay, but hold it by the stem. Avoid holding it from here because you may warm the liquid or the wine inside. So always hold by the stem. Glass that does not have a stem is supposed to be held with your palm at the bottom of it. Same goes for this as well. You can hold from the base or the bottom of the glass.